Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be taste testing the Oryba mango.
Maybe we're saying that right?
Maybe not. Don't know anything about it, but we're going to give it a try, and then we'll know something about it. Very juicy. It's got a good. Which smell is that? One of those mango.
Citrus?
No, not one of those.
Melon, apple.
Might be closer to melon, but I don't really know. All right. It tastes like that smell, although it does have some resin to it.
Is that like grape?
It is a little grapey.
That's good, I think.
Yeah, it's got a good resin to it.
I didn't get any resin, but that must be the end.
Okay, little piece here.
No, I got it.
Kind of a piney resin. That's good though.
That's good.
What's the flavor? I don't know, grapey, melony.
I'm not getting a lot of melon. I am getting grape.
Like a honeydew melon.
Maybe.
But it's got a really good punch of
Near the skin.
of that resin, like a piney resinousness. It's not too strong. It's just right. Super juicy, no fiber. This is actually really good. Never heard of this one before, so I don't know where it comes from. We bought this one at Mango Men of Homestead. It could be one of Richard Campbell's own varieties. I don't know.
We don't know. I tried not to look up a lot about the mangoes because I didn't want to have like a bias, like reading what the flavor was supposed to be like. Do you have a little bit of pineapple or no? Like grape pineapple?
Maybe like but not. It's not very. There's not much tartness. It's sweet, but not super sweet.
It's a nice firm texture.
Yeah, it's a great texture. It's a good flavor. It's got the right amount of bank balance of. It's not crawling on me. I'm too sticky to get it off.
It's hard.
Like a little beetle. Okay. That's good. I don't know what we're gonna eat the whole thing. I'm probably gonna eat this. It's extremely juicy. It's extremely
Quenching.
yeah, I was gonna say refreshing, but I don't like to use refreshing because that's the word that they use for a lot of the syzygium fruits that have no flavor. They're just wet. But this is like eating this is like it's like taking a drink. I mean, this could be like
with electrolytes.
Yeah, it's like a juice box. Do you like a juice box? No, I'll just have an Oreo.
I don't know if it's Oryba.
Oryba. But that's good. I mean, it's really
I don't know that I would plant one, but I would buy another.
It's not overly anything, but it's got a good balance of between the juiciness, the sweetness, the resin. It's got a really good balance, but they're all in the middle tones.
Yeah.
It doesn't have any really high or low tones.
Like I would definitely buy fruit.
Yeah.
If we went down again and they had it. Cutting boards like covered in mango juice.
It's really juicy, but the texture it's not overly melting or overly fiber. It's middle ground for a lot of stuff. But that's a good mango. I'd give that a 8.4.
I would say an 8. But it's good. It's good enough to buy more fruit.
If I knew more about it, if it turned out that this was like
If
actually
there's a good
really,
story.
if there was a good, or it's a really good producer, or had
Yeah.
really good, I mean, it had something else to it, I might plant one.
Yeah.
Because to me, this is better than a Glen.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Because it has the pininess.
Mm-hmm. Because Glen is just kind of one. Glen is great, a lovely
I
Glen.
love having a classic
But
mango.
Glen is very classic, and this has got a little more zing to it. So anyway, I think that's pretty good. I would like to know more about it
Yeah.
now, but definitely worth trying, and just super juicy. Well, super juicy, which I don't know. It's not always a part of the cultivar. Sometimes that's the part of just the ripe, picked at the right time, where it got lots of irrigation or something. But
Some of the juice dried on my fingers, and I licked it, and it tasted so good. I think this would be one that would be really good dried. Like, I think it would concentrate the flavors.
yeah, but it's got all the tones of that are really good. So anyway, yeah, that's.
I'm gonna up it to like
Yeah, I'd like to know more about
8,
that one too
8.5,
and
yeah.
see. But that was very good. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you've tried one of these, then I'm choking on the juice. Let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.